I think he's handling very well. I think his individual performances have also improved a lot. He's a good player. I mean, according to me, I think he's one of the finest players batsmen. I don't know why they don't take him in the T20s. Also, he's a good player for all formats. No, I think it will be too much pressure on him because I think now because if you just relieve him a little bit, like T20 is a different, totally very fast game. It gets over in maybe 6 hours or something like that. But I think for one day and Test cricket, he should remain the captain. But maybe for T20, he can have another captain. But having said that, I mean, he's an outstanding player, so he should never be dropped from any format. I think he's a very good player and he's very good and he's performed well. And I think he's got a chance, deservingly, he got a very good chance. I think may make him a captain. I think he's got a very good cricketing brain, and I'm sure with time he will become a very good player. So there are some players, who they should be given a long rope because sometimes what happens is sometimes it takes a little bit of time for them to come into the group. But there's so much competition, so I think we need to decide, understand what is good and what is bad. You have to perform consistently, as I've said, because performances count a lot. Because I think there are a lot of young players that are coming up, because I mean, you can't nowadays, you can't have players playing on, past performances. You have to keep performing every time because the other person is also performing. I feel very sad for Akib Nabi. Akib Nabi that after taking almost like for last 2 years, it's been this year I think he took some 60 wickets and last year I think 50 wickets. But if you still don't find him a place in the Test match team, it's very disappointing. And also Sarfraz, these boys have really done well. They've consistently done well in the domestic cricket season. But now everybody says that we have to play domestic season. But I mean, what is the use of playing domestic season because their performance is are not being recognized and they have not been playing. I think Asim Nabi is a great test match bowler. I think he's a very good exponent of swing bowling. And Sarfraz also is done well. He's given chance after the New Zealand series. I don't think they played him in any matches, because I think fine, he scored 100 in that game. But after that, you need consistent. You should need to give consistent chances. Because if you don't give chances, it becomes very difficult. Like in England, you gave a lot of chance for Karan Nair. So I mean, he made a comeback, and then this person has already been in the team and has already performed well. Sarfraz, so he's not been given chance in Australia also and in England also. So what does that mean, or what does that augur? So I think the selectors need to look into this, performance sequence because I mean I am very disappointed with the non-inclusion of Akib Nabi because and Sarfraz. I think they deserve a lot of chance. I think they're good players. I mean, what is the use of like I mean when once the age runs out, then you give a performance. Now, for example, Akib Nabi is not I mean, to me, is not a very good T20 bowler. So I think you must understand, recognize that okay, he's good for Test cricket, so you make him play Test cricket. Okay, fine, he's playing IPL, that's a different story. But when you're playing for India, it's totally different. Now, that should not be the criteria. If that is happening, and it is not good for the game of cricket overall. They need to play a lot of games, because cricket. There is no cricket without Test cricket. To be very honest, as far as I see, because Test cricket is a game, is a test. Because every day, I mean, the condition, the pitch condition, and the other thing, all it keep changing. That's why it's a test. That's why it's called Test cricket. And I think the Test we must also. I mean, I think the board is doing its best. I mean, all the time, but I think you have to promote more 4-day games, and then all the players who are not who are playing. I mean, they should play as well. In the Ranji Trophy season also. So it's very important that they should. Recognize the performances of the players playing in Ranji Trophy. They're not just T20 game. T20 is a different game, and playing in Test cricket is totally different. You need a lot of temperament to play in a Test match game. It's a very personal thing, because players need to decide when is the time to go, when he feels that he's okay, has had enough and all. But I think these are players, both the players are very talented and they've given so much for the country. And I think I'm sure there is cricket left in them. And then I think it's totally a personal decision. They should decide, because it's very hard. People start talking about no, he should retire, he should retire. But I think the player knows exactly what is happening with his body, how his mental strength is, how his performance is being affected, and how he's playing. It all depends on the individual. But I mean, both the players have done given human service to the country, and I think they should be respected. And I think that thing, I think they should leave it to them, because I mean the selectors can always talk to them and ask.